With the color picker, you can sample or pick a color from your image. I have opened Girl. I select the color picker tool. If I click on the shirt, the foreground color will show the sampled color. If I shift click on my image, the color picker window opens. On the left, I see the red, green and blue values. And at the right, I see the red, green and blue values as percentages. I can also show hue, saturation and value. If I drag in my image, I see the color information directly updated. I see a little white square. Let's zoom in to have a better look at the square. The color you sample with the color picker is an average of the pixels that are inside the square. The reason for this is that pixels laying next to each other can differ quite a bit. Taking an average of a couple of pixels will give a more stable result. The size of the square can be adjusted in the tool options. By default, the radius is set to 5, which results in an 11 by 11 pixel square. To change the radius, I scroll inside the radius bar. If I want to sample just a single pixel, I uncheck Sample Average. Sample Merged means that all layers are looked at when you click somewhere. So not just the active layer is measured, but all visible layers. So you are measuring what you're actually seeing. In the next lecture, we will look at how to save an image with layers.